Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll practice daily routine conversations. This will help you get comfortable with common phrases and improve your English fluency. Let's jump right into the conversation between Sarah and Lucy as they go through their day. Pay close attention to how they interact in different situations. If you practice this for a week, you'll be fluent, I'm sure. Let's begin.
Good morning, Lucy. How did you sleep?
Morning. I slept pretty well, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. I woke up a bit early today. What's your plan for the morning?
I'm going to make some breakfast and then go for a jog. What about you?
I think I'll have a coffee first, then maybe read a book. What are you having for breakfast?
I'm thinking of making some eggs and toast. Do you want to join me?
That sounds great. I'll make the coffee. Do you want yours black or with milk?
With a little milk, please. I'll start cooking while you get the coffee ready.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Breakfast was delicious, Lucy. Thanks for cooking.
No problem. I'm glad you liked it. What time do you need to leave for work?
I need to be out the door by 8:30. What about you?
I have a meeting at 9, so I'll leave around the same time. What are you wearing today?
Probably just my usual work outfit, shirt and pants. I'm not in the mood to dress up. How about you?
I think I'll wear a dress today. It's supposed to be warm outside.
Good idea. Have you checked the weather?
Yeah, it's going to be sunny all day. Do you need to iron your clothes?
I ironed them last night, so I'm all set. Do you need any help getting ready?
No, I'm good. I just need to do my makeup and pack my bag. Are you taking lunch with you?
I packed a sandwich and some fruit. Are you buying lunch today?
I might grab something at the cafe near the office. They have good salads.
Hey Lucy, how's your day going?
It's been busy, but I'm managing. How about you?
Same here. I just finished a big project, so that's a relief.
That's great. I'm stuck in meetings all day. I can't wait for lunch.
Speaking of lunch, did you decide where you're eating?
I ended up bringing a salad. The cafe was too crowded this morning.
Good choice. I'm about to eat my sandwich. Are you free for a quick chat later?
Yeah, let's catch up around 3. I could use a break.
Sounds good. Talk to you then. Finally, a break. How's it going?
I'm surviving. These meetings are draining me. How's your afternoon been?
Pretty smooth. I got through most of my tasks, so I'm just coasting now.
Lucky you. I've still got one more meeting to go. Want to grab some coffee?
Definitely. I need the energy boost. How do you take yours?
Just black. It's the only way to get through the rest of the day.
Same here. So, what's the plan after your meeting?
I need to finish a report, then I'm done for the day. You?
I've got a couple of emails to send, and then I'm heading out. Do you want to walk to the station together again?
Sure. Let's aim for 5:15.
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
So, how was your last meeting?
It was long and boring, but I survived. I'm so ready for dinner now.
You must be hungry. Are you still going out with your friends?
Yeah, we're meeting at 7. What about you? What's for dinner?
I'm thinking of making pasta. It's quick and easy.
Yum! Want to exchange notes later? I'll tell you how the restaurant was.
Sure, I'm curious about that place. Maybe I'll go there this weekend.
Sounds like a plan. By the way, any plans for tomorrow?
Nothing much, just relaxing at home. How about you?
I've got a yoga class in the morning, then I'm free. Want to hang out?
Absolutely. Let's do something fun.
Great. I'll text you after my class. Enjoy your pasta tonight.
Hey Lucy, how was dinner?
It was amazing. The food was so good, and the place had a nice vibe. How was your pasta?
It turned out pretty well. I might have made too much, though. Leftovers for tomorrow.
Lucky you. I'm already in bed, just winding down. What about you?
Same here. I'm going to read a bit before sleeping. Any good shows you're watching?
I started a new series last night. It's pretty interesting. I'll tell you more about it tomorrow.
Sounds good. I might watch something short before bed. Anything else planned for tonight?
Nope, just sleep. It's been a long day.
Agreed. Let's catch up tomorrow. Good night, Lucy.
Good night. Sleep well.
And that's it for today's conversation. I hope you found this video helpful for practicing your English. Remember, these daily routines are a great way to build your fluency and confidence in speaking. The more you practice, the more fluent you become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share. See you in the next video.